hole. I guess there's some caves around here. One's called Yellow Jacket Cave, but I haven't been at it yet. Kind of looks like some braver people than me have climbed down in this hole. It's not for me. I don't, there might be a cave under there. I'm pretty sure there's a cave that goes like that, but it looks like it would be crawling, not walking in there. Yeah, I'm not going in there. Well, good evening. We finally settled on a spot to camp out for the night. This is, we're in the Modoc National Forest right now. And I'm in a former burn area. Now, I don't know if this was a prior wildfire area or if this was a control burn at one time, because a lot of these trees are still alive. Just the bottoms of them are burnt. So here's the deal. It's not quite 5 o'clock. It's maybe 4:45. I'm going to start dinner. I didn't stop for lunch today, so I'm hungry for dinner. It's kind of smoky out. I don't know if the camera will catch the haze. They're doing a prescribed burn to the west of us, and I tried to get a few miles away from it, but it's still pretty smoky out here. But that's all right, it's tolerable. Main thing is, I think the nearest freeway, as the crow flies, is probably 80 miles away. Just what we want. Dinner time. You know, as far as cooking goes tonight, I just remembered, I don't think I took any meat out of the freezer. So it's all frozen. I forgot. So we're going to revert to my sister's all-time favorite food, hot dogs. By the way, that was sarcasm. She hates hot dogs. Yep, it's a lazy man's dinner tonight. I know we all have our preferences. I prefer these Hebrew National. They just, for some reason, they just taste better. These are the beef dogs. I'm not going to do anything terribly fancy. The only thing gourmet about these is I like to just cut them open and fry them this way. Put a little avocado oil in there. Avocado oil spray. I guess it'll just help brown the meat. I tried to find a campsite up high. I went to a little place called Black Mountain in the area. It's near some lava beds. But I got up there and there was no level place to camp and no view. And it was windy. And more smoky, it seemed like. So now I'm in a little bit more of a sheltered place. I think I'm between 4,500, 4,800 feet, something like that. And I like these kinds of trees where there are a lot of trees, but you can see through and see quite a ways. Beautiful spot. All right, let's get these going. No campfire tonight. I believe it's far too dry for that. But I am going to have a root beer with my hot dog. Mustard. And my relish. Oh yeah, that's gourmet, all right. The gourmet pan set. Of course, hot dogs don't take very long. That's why they're kind of a camp out staple. We've got to toast our hot dog buns in some butter. Go on. Got a yellow jacket here already. I haven't noticed any mosquitoes yet. All right, gourmet hot dog. Yep, that's gourmet. All right, I'm going to sit down, look at the view, such as it is. Except for me and my talking, it's very quiet out here. Wind in the trees. Well, we had a pretty good dinner. I mean, it was only hot dogs. But, you know, it was good just to have something hot and be out here where there's just the peace and calm. You know, it's quiet in a way. It's natural quiet. You can hear the wind through the trees. I can hear these crows going overhead with the whoosh of their wings. A little occasional bird chirping here and there. So, yeah, it's not quiet, but it's peaceful. Of course, my talking isn't very peaceful. As some of you know, this is my favorite place to be and read a book, which is what I'm going to do now until it gets too dark.